Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up Office 365 Outlook email on your iPhone. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to your App Store, then search for Outlook. Just simply search for Outlook, then click on the first link, Outlook. Now on Outlook, click on Get and complete your Face ID if you have enabled that. Now just simply wait for the Outlook to install. So after the installation is complete, click on Open. Now after that, just simply enter the email address for your Office 365 account. So just simply enter the email address, then click on Add Account. Now just simply wait for a few seconds. Now enter your password. So after you have entered your password, just simply click on Sign In. After clicking on Sign In, so after that, if you have a two-step verification enabled on your Microsoft account, just simply click on Next. Complete your verification process. After that, your account should open. And for some reason, if you don't want to continue your account verification, just simply choose Ask Later. Then you will be inside your Outlook account. So over here, as you can see, it is completely accessible and working properly. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.